Welcome to the Blaze Builder training video series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a website from a website template in Blaze Builder. You can add and manage a workplace for your team. Go to the header menu and click on the new site. Now you will be redirected to our Done For You template library. Here you can choose templates from our template library. Choose template of your choice. Now give the name. You can now customize your chosen template. You can change the background of your website. You can change the web address of your buttons and URL. You can change headings. You can adjust the template. Add icons of your template. You can replace and upload images from your local location. You add pages to your template. You can publish your template site. You can add additional codes like CSS and JavaScript to your template if you want. Click on Save and your template is ready. You can preview, edit, or delete it. Thanks for watching the video.